Are you ready for a heart-pumping, adrenaline-fueled ride through the most intense racing game you've ever played? Look no further than No Brakes, No Mercy. With high-speed action, daring stunts, and nail-biting finishes, this game will have you on the edge of your seat from start to finish. Strap in and get ready to experience the ultimate rush of racing without any brakes or mercy. As it could be seen that the orange truck was in a hurry, it rammed into two vehicles and then dragged them with it. Their parts could be seen all over the road. As could be seen that a red truck rammed into 2 or 3 trucks as it was driving and then ramming into the side railing. The truck could be seen making its way while ramming into another truck and 2 other vehicles that were on its side. A white truck could be seen going very fast among the ongoing traffic. Thankfully, it didn't ram into any car. A garbage truck could be seen trying to take a left and then ramming into another truck, and its parts could be seen everywhere. A red truck could be seen on the right side, slamming into everything that comes in its way, be it barriers, small poles. A red truck can be seen ramming into several barriers. At first, everything seemed fine, there was nothing wrong, but just then a white truck could be seen going on berserk mode and going very fast while its rear end was shaking. A red truck could be seen going to the right and scaring everyone on its path. A truck could be seen passing by the car and ramming into the cars that were stopped in front. The orange truck could be seen ramming into a car and leaving nothing but dust on its sides. As it could be seen that a truck came on top of the white car, scaring its driver. As it could be seen that a truck carrying wood rammed into a semi-truck, breaking it badly, and then it fell over. A black truck could be seen going fast on the right, scaring the people in its path. The truck was hit by another truck from behind, and it pushed the first truck for some time, and the truck rammed into other cars, making it an absolute mayhem. A red truck could be seen coming from one end and going on another while destroying everything in its path. It could be seen that the vehicle with the dashcam had some trouble and it hit the roadside concrete and then rammed into another truck. The driver looked very scared. The truck was going fast, and then a black car could be seen ramming into the truck from the side, making it lose its balance, and then the truck destroyed the traffic signal and a tree. It could be seen that the white car accidentally hit the truck on its left, and it hit the red car, and then the red car then hit the black car, causing severe damages on the car, and their pieces can be seen. The white car's bumper could be seen torn apart. The white truck could be seen coming from the side, ramming into the yellow car. Then the yellow car hit the black car, and the black car hit the white car, causing severe damages on the cars. A truck could be seen coming from the right, but it was so fast that it lost its balance and fell over, and it was dragged several meters. It then hit the white car that was in front of it, causing absolute mayhem. The tire could be seen flying and the dust could be seen. The brown truck can be seen going fast and then ramming into another truck that was in front of it, breaking its rear door. The black truck could be seen coming from the front, and as such, the green car was rammed into the railing on the road. And the car with the dash cam then rammed into the green car, and the black truck then tammed into the green car too. The green car could be seen severely damaged. The yellow truck could be seen going very fast, and as it was going fast, another truck was in its way, so it tried to overtake it. But just as it was about to, the space was very less, and on the right there were empty fields, so the truck fell into the empty fields. Everything was going fine, but just then the dumpster truck could be seen rushing forward and slamming into the blue car on its side, and then the blue car slammed into the black car. And the truck drove away. Everyone could be seen getting out of their vehicles scared of what they just witnessed. The blue truck could be seen on the right ramming into the truck that was in front of it, making its goods fall over. Everything was going fine, there were no issues, but just as the driver went forwards, we could see a car coming from the far corner with great speed, and as it was coming into the vehicle with the dashboard's way, it drove over to the side of the road, scaring the black car's driver, who then quickly made a turn so an accident were to be stopped. Many people were running away scared out of their wits because a yellow truck was coming over faster and then falling into the empty space. As you can see on the right that a green vehicle followed by a green SUV, which was pushed by a truck, slammed against another truck, causing a mayhem. A truck could be seen coming from far away, which was driving in the railing of the road, causing its parts to scatter. As you can see, there was a truck coming fast and it rammed against a vehicle, causing a fire. Then that truck rammed against another truck, causing the second truck to fall over from the side. Another truck that was caught in the ceasefire fell over and its goods could be seen on the ground. The fire could be seen amongst the mayhem. It is a terrible sight. In conclusion, No Brakes, No Mercy is an adrenaline-fueled ride that will leave you on the edge of your seat. From the heart-stopping crashes to the intense battles for first place, this video is a thrilling showcase of the skill and determination of these incredible racers. Whether you're a fan of racing games or simply enjoy watching high-speed action, No Brakes, No Mercy is a must-see. So buckle up, hold on tight, and get ready for the ride of your life.